I'm Teresa. I am a physical therapist assistant as well as a certified health and wellness coach. I am also the creator of ReTwist-T. As a physical therapist and health and wellness coach, I'm all about helping and healing people. Growing up, we were always together as a family. We spent a lot of time together, we played together, we celebrated all of the arts together. So with ReTwist-T, I called up my sister and my parents and I said, you guys, I'm starting a business. We're gonna take it on the road. So we packed up our bags, loaded up the minivan, and went off and did shows for about 5 years. Now we have just celebrated our 1-year anniversary in our very own brick and mortar here at ReTwist-T in Sauk City. All of the arts are so important to our family, and it's something that we want to always pass on to other people as well as our children.
Hi, I'm Tanya, manager here at ReTwist-T. In addition to being creative together, ReTwist-T strives to be mindful of sustainability. And we have a lot of really amazing people, both locally and long distance, that have joined in on the efforts. Vendors, curators, makers, crafters, just anything and everything that you can think of.
We have a passion for making, creating, helping, and healing everyone that we have that opportunity to interact with.
We invite you to find ways to be sustainable in your own home, in your own life. Recycling or upcycling, repurposing, reclaiming.
We are here to help you find that passion in yourselves. Find that creativity. You absolutely do not have to be a fine artist, a welder, a clay mason, none of those things. You can be who you are. Whatever makes you happy and content, that is the fine artist in you.
All of these efforts allow us to be able to keep our world healthy and keep ourselves healthy, our families, our homes. We are full of talents that we don't even realize we have.
You can produce things that bring you joy in your life, and we want to celebrate that with you. So be sure to come on in, check us out. Again, I am Teresa with ReTwist-T, and I hope to see you soon.